Hello everyone, today we're doing TryHackMe's Dear QA. So first we're going to download the file to inspect it. So I'm going to rename it. And why not, we'll make it chmodable too. So first we'll open up Ghidra. And we'll do new project, non-shared, project name, Dear. So then we'll do import file. And okay. So if we do file on it, we get a ELF 64-bit, X64 60 or X68 64 or 86 64. Sorry about that. Binary. So for the questions on this room, what is the binary architecture and what is the flag? So for that, we'll right click and open with code browser. Yes. So if we go to functions and then main local, says what is your name? So it's taken local 28. It's taken 32 bits of data from local 28, and then it takes 8 bits for the R for the RPB right here, and then it takes 8 more to get into the RIP. So if we go to the vuln function right here, this actually says that congratulations, you have entered the secret, and then it does bin bash and gives you a shell. So we need to get this address right here, convert it to the address is Little Indian, so we need to um, convert it into a payload. So it takes 32 bits of data and then 8 more bits of data. So our payload will look like this essentially. It'll be 40 bits of junk, and then the 8 bits of our address, which would be switched because it's Little Indian, so it becomes that's 10 of them, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it becomes that. So to do a test, we'll do a simple Python script. So we'll do Python, not script, but just a single command Python 3, and then it'll be C single quote import sys, and then sys dot s standard out dot buffer dot write, and then parentheses B for bit, double quote, and then we'll do capital A, double quote, asterisk, 40 for bits of junk, a plus sign, and then another B for bits for our address. So I'll take this, and then put another double quote, and then we need to do a new line at the end, so we'll do another plus, B, another quote, and then new line, double quotes, parentheses, single quote, and then we'll feed it into the binary or pipe it into the binary. So we'll just do pipe, and then the binary's name, which is Dear QA dot Dear QA. We're actually going to make it like that, so it'll execute. So if we just copy this, we could close this actually. So if we come up here, it's executable, right? Yep. So we'll just paste the command. And right here, we says you have entered the secret function. So we know that it works locally. Only issue is this exact one-liner won't work on the live instance. So we need to use a Pwntools script. So I have this script that I came up with. It just takes the IP address as a system or as an argument, and it does the 40. Oops, crap, I don't want to do all that. I don't know what that just did. Anyways, so if you just type in the IP address after the name of whatever you name it, it will print out the payload for the 40 nonsense bits and then the address that we need and at the right time. So if we just copy the IP address, so the first answer is x64. That's the, because it was in the right here, x64. So if we just do IP set that, and then so all that is just the name of it with the IP that I set, and then it runs and it says you got the shell. So now we can just cat flag dot text. That's the high spell flag, and you get the flag. That's the end of the walkthrough. Like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions or requests, hit me up. Peace.